Happy November, friends. I know we're already more than halfway through the month, and fall is coming to an end, and even some have already put up their Christmas decorations. However, I still wanted to share how I decorated my front porch for the fall season. I'm working on these 2 urn-style planters that I got from Lowe's last year. I'll link them in the video description below if they're still available. I usually plant them up with whatever annuals are in season, but I wanted to try something different this time. And there we have it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So here I'm just working on the second planter. I took out all of the old plants and soil and refreshed it with some new soil, then started planting the ivy around the edge of the pot. This arrangement was actually inspired by Halloween decor I saw at the nursery the other day, and I thought it would be so neat to create a living version. Next, I'm digging up one of the small planting beds next to my front door. I have a gardenia and an azalea that I have been wanting to transplant elsewhere in the garden, and I'll be planting a beautiful hops plant to grow on this trellis and some burgundy heucheras for ground cover. This is the other small planting bed next to my front door that needed to be worked on. I put some new mulch down and potted up these 3 gorgeous fall-colored mums in these terracotta pots. This space makes me so happy. It's very simple, but I think the makeover came out perfectly, so let me know in the comments about how you think it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.